Michael,
Yeah,
you're a bush kind of person, aren't you?
I am. I'm a bush pig.
You're a bush pig.
A bush pig.
A bush pig.
Country
You're
boy.
a country boy. Okay, so you may have been out there in the wild, camping and whatnot, and you've eaten a few, interesting things. I would have to imagine over the time.
Yeah, where you going with this?
Well, I want to know, are they tasty or?
No comment. You know how much trouble I could get in for that conversation?
Well, you know what is tasty? This excellent epic unboxing. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I shall go no further with that line of inquiry. What are we doing?
We are doing an unboxing.
Yeah, of the...
Well, it's an epic unboxing.
It's an epic unboxing.
Of the 2021 Koala. It has finally arrived in numbers.
Woohoo!
Thankfully, yes.
Yep.
We're a little bit worried we weren't going to see it.
Yeah, well, as are the koalas when they worry when you're going camping.
Yeah, no.
No.
I like koalas.
Koalas are our national treasure.
They are. You ever heard a koala in the wild? They sound nasty.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, they scream and, oh, mate, it's on for young and old.
Well, probably when they've got someone chasing after it.
No, just in the trees, mate.
Okay, right. Okay.
When they get in their nests, they can really, really screech.
Oh, wow, okay.
It's blood curdling.
Wow, okay.
Anyway, we're way off topic
Yeah.
now. Probably freaking out all the tourists.
This is just the regular koala, not the drop bear, right?
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, no drop bears in here.
Okay. For our international subscribers, look up the drop bear. It's an interesting Australian animal. It's deadly as...
It is another one of our many deadly things that we have to go with the snakes and
the old drop bear.
Spiders and the jellyfish and the...
Beautiful. Here is your first up-close look, at least from Bullion Now's perspective, of the 2021 1-ounce silver koala. Beautiful.
Does he look cranky?
He does look a little cranky. From this angle, he does look a little cranky. Let's see how close I can get. There we go, a little bit better. We're going to get a steady kind of stabilization cam thing soon.
Yeah, I think we need to. The
I
way
think
you're
we
shaking,
do.
I don't know what's going on.
There we go. Beautiful. And the other side, please. Of course.
It's gone. That's not a marking, that's just fog off my fingers.
Okay, all right. Beautiful. Her Majesty on the other side, as we like to call it. Lovely.
All right, we thought we'd do a
Yes, let's do
comparison
Yes,
between.
please. Can we put them? Maybe we can put the 1 ounce there and the beautiful.
You can probably just does that disappear into it too much? Or?
Kind of does actually. If you
Yeah,
can put it there, that'll be lovely.
Well,
So-
I find it interesting that they make this one quite shiny,
Yep.
and yet this one is quite an all over. It's got a bit of,
Yeah, it's frosted
bit of dirt on it.
completely.
Yeah, completely frosted.
Yeah, I will say that I prefer this. I prefer the, bit of a mirror finish as well. I don't understand. So they do the same kind of mirror finish for the kilo kookaburra, but they never do it for the koala.
Yeah.
Which I'm wondering why that is. It must be a cost thing, I'd imagine.
I don't know. It's either a cost thing or it could even just be a differentiation thing.
Yeah.
So, the mirror finishes appeals to one market and the frosted appeals to another.
Okay.
I actually don't know. I've never asked the question.
Right.
I should ask them one day.
Fair enough.
But yeah.
Yeah, there you go. So the wonderful 1 ounce 2021 koala. Let's see how close I can get up here. Look at the see, look at the lighting. Look at the detail that way.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. It does look a little angry or sleepy.
I don't know.
Angry or sleepy, one of the two. That's really lovely. And we've said before, we've mentioned this before in other videos when we've talked about koalas. The cooks, as the years go by, they have always maintained or kept a premium, and as the years go by, the older ones increased.
Yeah.
Never used to be the case with the koalas, but
it has, particularly the last 18 months to 2 years, we've seen quite a lot of growth in the premium of the older koalas because no one ever really kept them. So people have got their kookaburra set and they've got their Luna set. So now they're going, well, I need to collect something else. So they're looking at the koalas. So we're seeing the popularity of the koala go up quite a lot,
Yep.
and the premiums follow.
Yeah,
So,
I mean,
which has been interesting.
good luck trying to hunt down a 2002 koala. Do you know what I mean? So
About the 2000 and anything, even the 2021, seriously limited numbers.
really,
Yeah, production numbers are right down.
Okay.
So, and again, I seem to be saying this a bit just lately, but get them while you can. I don't know if we'll get any more in after this batch. I assume we will, but I'm not laying money on it.
it's like any silver product at the moment. I think if it's in and you think you might want it, yeah, maybe just get it.
Yeah, and we're seeing more and more that the mints around the world are prioritising production towards the bars. I'm not going to get into the politicals of it all, but they're prioritising production that way. So a lot of their specialty coins, koalas, kookaburras, the other mints around the world with their specialties, they're not producing them in the same numbers. So definitely, if you're looking at completing a set or starting a set, or you're seeing something that you like, grab it now. Don't wait and think I'll get it in 6 months' time.
Yep, fair enough. All right, that's a really good point. So, if you're watching this, of course, the 2021 1-ounce koalas are available on the website as of the release date of this particular video. How long they're up for remains to be seen. But of course, if you still want a kilo one, I think, do we have any of the kilos left? Oh, okay.
I was wondering where you were going with that.
Okay. No kilos left.
No kilos left.
That's one that's going to be posted out for someone soon, or the display one. Okay.
Correct.
Ouch. Okay, if that's an indication of where the market's going, ladies and gentlemen, then yeah, you want to get some soon.
I mean, if you want to sidestep slightly, we brought in more of those than we would normally get. We were lucky and we jagged them, and normally the number I brought in would last us about 3 months. Well, it lasted us 6 days.
Okay. All right. Well, that's a good indication. All right. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and get on to buying the 1-ounce koala from 2021. And, of course, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.